If you need to update your phone number on your DoorDash account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is current. This will help you receive important notifications and updates about your orders. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account information. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Phone Number or Contact Information. Tap on it to edit your current phone number. Step 4. Enter a new phone number. Delete the old phone number and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to save your changes and confirm the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on your DoorDash account. Keeping your contact information up to date ensures you won't miss any important updates regarding your orders.